Okay, so welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be replacing the lower ball joint on the Polo. A little bit of a handling upgrade. It's got about 140,000 miles on the original ball joint, which is a lot to be understated. But for this you're going to need a ball joint splitter as well, which looks like this. And it sounds like a tuning fork. So stay tuned.
There's a screaming in there, not telling me to leave for a while.
Now the first thing we need to do is to crack the wall bolts off and get the car up in the air. So let's do that.
I wanna escape and restart all. I wanna escape and restart all.
Now that the wheels off, this is the old ball joint, and as you can see, it's rusty and old. So a new one on there would look pretty good, and it'd feel even better. First thing I'm going to do is remove the top nut. I'm going to remove the 3 nuts underneath. There's one there, there's a second one there, and there's a third one in the back that you can't see. Right, so it's an 18mm spanner for this massive nut here, and I believe these are 15s, but they're captive nuts on like a little plate, and they are the heads that you remove out of the plate. So let's do it. Right, so these bottom 3 are 13mm. Got a breaker bar, just going to break them off. Well, that's one way to get the bolt off. As you can see, that nut there is literally just spinning. So, time to get the Dremel on it.
I went from side to side to tell my trouble come alive. I can't wait, the sun is shining, lift the sails and follow my own
So that's lower ball joint 3 there, and you can see how knackered it is. Look at that. It's absolutely knackered. Right, so as you can see, there's the old one, there's the new one. Look how absolutely mullered that one is. Look how nice and new that one is. They are indicated right. This one would have had it there somewhere, but this is the right one. Right for right, left for left. Right, so putting it back on is the opposite to removal, so keep that nut safe, and then that's going to go on the car.
There's a treasure out there, just everyone should just have to choose you. Here it is a wisdom of the city, is that a my freedom of mine is one away.
Right, line the bolts up with a punch for the lower three, so they can go in now. With the kit you get a new retaining plate and 3 new bolts. Also going for using green Loctite. Loctite on all 3 bolts.
I went from side to side until my trouble come alive. Can't wait the sun to shine, the sails and follow my own tide. Yeah. There's a screaming in there, I'm telling me to leave for a while. For the first time I can see my own life, my own life. I wanna escape and start all.
So that's the lower 3 bolts done up with Loctite and tight. Just got to do this main M12 up at the top. And for good measure, I'm going to put a little bit of green Loctite on there as well.
There's a treasure out there, just everyone should just have to choose it. Here it is a wisdom of the city, is that a my freedom of mine is gone away.
And that right there is a brand new ball joint. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please like it and please subscribe, it helps the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I wanna escape to